Okay, so thank you very much, Nathaniel Atto, and the rest of our colleagues back in Accra. Here in Kumasi, we are also putting up together what we are going to deliver to our listeners when the World Cup starts. That will be next June. And I'm here representing Love FM. And I also have my colleague Richardo here who will be representing Nhyira FM. And so we shall be going through what we have planned or lined up for Love FM. Then after that, me cross over to Miami and Richardo. Now, if you're not so Nhyira FM there, the back Richardo. Now, maybe I'm going there.
Sure.
Okay. World Cup, and the same is here every year. I feel so yeah. When it's a multimedia. What they are they?
Sure.
We are going to have a very comprehensive package for our listeners from the that is before the competition, during the competition, and after the post-competition and so. So for Love FM, this is the program that we have. So we have our World Cup minutes, where we are going to give our listeners 1 minute of historical World Cup news. And so that is supposed to be on Love in the Morning at 8 a.m. every day. And then also at 10 a.m., that will be on Metropolitan Mix every morning. And then in the afternoon, on lunchtime rhythms, at 2 p.m., there's going to be the World Cup minutes. And then on drive time at 5 p.m., there's going to be the World Cup minutes. Then we're also going to have the World Cup diaries, which will be a 20-minute diary program. That will be on our afternoon show between 1 and 3 p.m. That will be dubbed the World Cup Diaries. We are going to use 20 minutes of that, of the World Cup, of the show. That's the Love Sports Blaze to do the World Cup Diaries. So 20 minutes of interviews of players, profiling the teams and the countries that are going to play. Then in the course, after when the competition starts, we are going to have the World Cup wrap. That one will comprise giving back results and events of the previous matches that were played the day before. Then on Saturday, we are going to do our World Cup review, and that's going to be we are going to review the matches that were played in the course of the week before the Saturday. So we really have a comprehensive packed show for our listeners. And then we also plan to do some outdoor events, putting into perspective, knowing very well that Kumasi has a very large football showing and football following. And so when the Black Stars are always playing, you are sure that you are going to get people in Kumasi trooping in to come and watch the Black Stars and the World Cup as well. And so we are trying to speak to some restaurants and some pubs around where we are going to have a time with the supporters, be with them, give them live commentary on all that we're doing. And so it's going to be a very packed World Cup program that we have for our listeners on Love FM. And then also, I know that Nhyira also have some package for us. So let me cross over to my brother Richardo. Richardo, Nhyira, and then I package there to her.
Full package.
Okay.
This is the World Cup.
Sure.
So we have football now. It's a mundial, right? So if you want to, we'll be expecting something big from multimedia, and I can tell you, say, so about insurance, so yes, so we are well prepared. I am here, FIFA World Cup now, a chance, and so no. Yes, so you beat me there, from there, and so there, my for near Tifo. So, like we said, there were a lot of air programs. Yami Adma, a good World Cup now, a very winning in Adiama for and yet if we almost stay tuned. Now this time, World Cup coverage will a bit different from the other ones now. This time it's going to be super.
Now, Matis Nhyira FM, so more packages or programs in now. So, some presenters let's say how do any sports show? And they are more World Cup. Maybe can present and also become a chairman for sanity.
Sure, okay. Sure. Because like I said, this is the World Cup, right?
Yeah.
Aside the commentary, the bema, your team for the off scenes, situations in the area, your team for no. Yes, also a full package of the World Cup, as in Nipa, infuse on the show with analysis of the game, every game they also after the game, be about the World Cup, everything is set, okay. And we feel say we are ready for the World Cup. 2026 way.
Okay, so before we get back to you guys in Accra, I also have here the programs manager for Nhyira FM in the person of Esquire, Benjamin Okran. He is the programs manager for Nhyira FM. Kuzeku, thank you very much for joining us here. I know that definitely you have something to add up to what Richardo has told our listeners.
What I will add up to what Richardo just said is that this World Cup coverage as a group, it's going to be fantastic. What we intend to do, as you discussed earlier, We'll be doing our pub series, we'll be doing the game centers, a whole lot of things that we are doing. I am here simply because what I want people to know is that we are ready. And for that matter, if you are a company, any client who want to be part of this World Cup coverage, our doors are open. I'm here to represent management. That's I'm saying that our doors are open for everybody who want to be part of this World Cup coverage, especially those who want to sponsor this event. We are ready for you. You can just walk to our offices here and then we'll do business with you. We are going to give you this exclusive and everything that you want to hear. Running of commentaries, you know, in Nhyira and Love FM. I mean, I see you are in this jurisdiction. We are we are fantastic.
Yeah, sure.
To run in commentary.
Yeah.
So this World Cup coverage is going to be great, Dala.
Okay, all right. So that's all we have for you guys back in Accra. So Nathaniel, Ms. Bao, Eric Bwedi, and the rest of the team, Wallace, we hand you over, and then we hope that together we are going to make this World Cup a memorable one, and our viewers and our listeners are really going to enjoy whatever we have for them for that 1 month of football fiesta. Thank you very much. We hand you over, and then
Thank you so much, Delali Atiase there in the heart of the Garden City as we combine the efforts of Nhyira and Love FM to bring you the best in terms of programming. Well, here in Accra as well, we're very ready and good to go in terms of delivering what our clients are looking for. We've got loads and loads of clients who've been working with us all these years, and World Cup after World Cup have come along with us on the journey. And of course, in terms of getting satisfaction and getting the numbers, we've always delivered for them. Well, also getting satisfaction and getting the numbers, we've always delivered for them. Well, Oswin Kwachi is here with us. He is a senior sales executive here at the Multimedia Group, and he has a simple message for all of our clients who have already started placing calls to us. Oswin, good to see you.
Thank you, Matt.
Now, tell me about the positioning of all of our brands and how ready we all are for the very big one. I know you've been receiving calls in the past week. Same here. All of us, we've always been receiving messages and all of that regarding how our clients can come on board and be a part of this experience.
Fantastic. I mean, multimedia have always given our audiences exciting experience when it comes to the coverage of the World Cup. Extensive coverage, let me put it that way. And this time we are inviting our potential sponsors, our cherished sponsors. We are going to deliver, value. In terms of value, in terms of, return on investment, they should come to us. We are ready to deliver to them return on investment. And, when it comes to highest, we have the, unmatched audience reach. You can agree with me. Our Blitz platforms, radio, TV, digital media, we are ready to deliver all these platforms to market their products and brands effectively. Yeah.
All right, thank you very much. Oswin is a senior sales executive here at the Multimedia Group, wrapping it all up for us regarding how well we're just positioned for a good business during the period. So come and have a conversation with us, as he's already said, so that we can run along this together. All right, so to our friends on the Adom platforms who will be following from various places here in Ghana and around the world, Enoch Wolanyo Wallace and, of course, Eric Asiedu Bwedi have their final message for us.
Right, on a lighter note, we are not your friends, we are brothers. Bob, let's sign out. Yeah, live on Adom FM, yes, and FM.
Okay, you catch a man for say, you may be a day banner. A man for what which who say almost so show concern. Almost and share on internet in the Sunya credit Caribbean, Ubitia Sajonia. All the packages say the banner. Betia bomb and Yametia quid. But of course, Bunibeka say that not knowing is always the worst part of an agony. Anything I need, Yamanai noon, say will be a bit of Yama is here. Quintia Damase, Uncle Swan Care, na Yanko Swan so and so much. A bed a day, a bed will be baby.
And so, from the professor of commentary and local language here at the Multimedia Group and the rest of us, I say thank you so much for being a part of this launch. And of course, we're looking forward to what will be definitely an amazing time as well.
Absolutely, absolutely. I wanted to give them so as this work up and say one channel MGL platform. So I say would before now they fork nady.
I like the sound of All right, so we're going to wrap things up with all of the high points that Ghana has recorded at all the FIFA World Cups that have been held over the course of time. Remember, Ghana started her journey in 2006. And of course, this year, all things being equal, Ghana will be recording a 5th appearance at the FIFA World Cup. This is just to make sure that we whet your appetite for what we're about to bring you when it all starts in 59 days' time. We're grateful to the production team, the combined production teams in Accra and Kumasi. Thank you all for being a part of this, and always keep it here on the multimedia platforms. We're leaving you now with